If you want to turn on or turn off Incognito Mode on Google Chrome on your PC, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. Incognito Mode is useful when you want to browse privately without saving your browsing history, cookies, or site data on your computer. It's a simple feature, and once you know where to click, you can open it anytime in seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, just like you normally would. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu, which is the main menu for Chrome settings and options. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the list that appears, find and click New Incognito Window. As soon as you click it, Chrome will open a new Incognito window. You'll notice the screen looks different with a darker layout and the incognito icon at the top, which tells you that private browsing is now active. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, there's an even faster way to do it. Just press Ctrl Shift and N at the same time on your keyboard. The moment you do that, Chrome will instantly open a new incognito window without needing to use the menu. Now, if you want to turn off Incognito Mode, the process is just as easy. Incognito Mode does not have a separate off button. Instead, you simply close the incognito window. Go to the top right corner of that incognito window and click the X button to close it. Once all incognito windows are closed, Incognito Mode is turned off completely. After that, if you open Google Chrome normally again, you'll be back in regular browsing mode. That means Chrome will return to your standard window and your browsing will work as usual. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, choose New Incognito Window or use Ctrl Shift N to open it faster, and then close the incognito window when you're done to turn it off. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.